Welcome everyone. In this video, we'll show you how to prototype a task calendar in Wireframes using MockFlow's prototyping feature in under 2 minutes. To start, we've already designed a task management mobile app wireframe in the MockFlow Wireframe Pro editor. For this example, we've created 2 tasks for each date. Using MockFlow's layers feature, we'll hide certain components so they only appear during interaction. For instance, tasks under date 20 are grouped and hidden, while date 19 is set to inactive and date 20 to active. Next, let's add interactions. Click on date 20, choose mouse click, then select Hide Component to hide the date 19 tasks. After that, use the Replace Component action to swap inactive date 20 section with active date 20 section. And swap active date 19 with inactive date 19. Now add a Show Component action to display the tasks under date 20, Task 1, Task 2, Task 3, and Task 4. Apply Fade In and Slide In effects to make the transition visually smooth. To enhance it further, adjust the timing by customizing each effect with a slight delay before saving. Next, we'll add effects to the date 19 components. Apply a fade-in effect to its tasks, and for the active date 20 and inactive date 19, add both fade-in and fade-out effects to create a polished interaction. Then, hide the active state of date 20 and the inactive state of date 19 using MockFlow's layers feature. Once done, preview the prototype in view mode. Now, when you click on date 20, date 19 changes to inactive, date 20 becomes highlighted, and the tasks seamlessly switch from date 19's task list to date 20's task list. And that's it. With just a few steps, you can turn static wireframes into interactive and intuitive prototypes. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick prototyping tutorials.